Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys feeling today? Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Let me know how you guys are feeling today. I hope you guys are good. I made a little pre-market analysis in the Discord, in the IQ Capital Family Discord. If you want to have a look at it, I'm basically talking about the cash session high, that will be the overall target for either. It's going to be the sweep for the reversal, or it's going to be the overall target for the longs. Hope you guys are doing good though. Let me know how you guys are. Let me know how you guys are feeling today. Hope you guys are feeling good. Make sure to smash up the like. Let's get to the 100 likes instantly. If we get to the 100 likes, we're definitely doing a giveaway today. So smash up the likes. And let me know what you guys are looking for today. I'm going to make a little poll here instantly to see what you guys are looking for. Let's see. NQ longs or shorts or unbiased. I'm going to give you guys an option here. Let me know in the chat with the poll what you're looking for today. How much setups you have? In general, I'm just looking for... Currently, I'm looking for one. And that's going to be the longs back to the cash session. But it might change along the way, okay? Like, I like to analyze the market when it's moving. I reanalyze and see what happens. We have the New York Stock Exchange open here in 23 minutes. So that might have a major impact here. And we'll see what happens though. Currently it looks like this could already be the reversal play back to the upside. I will be a little bit more cautious because we're so high up in the range. It could also be that we're going to open up at the New York Stock Exchange and we're going to actually sell it off first, right? This could also happen. So I'm going to be a little bit cautious here. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let's see. We got 72% of you guys are looking for longs. Nice. Was there news today? Not necessarily, no. Not necessarily at 8:30. It was just the driver. 8:30 was the driver for the push higher. And there was a lot of liquidity that came into the market at 8:30. Overall, so this morning as well, I was streaming the London session. I caught the long all the way from down here to the upside. And I actually was trying to get involved for the long as well here. But I stepped away. I went flat on my back, laying on the couch. I was like, I'm going to close my eyes for a second here. And I come back, and this guy is just all the way up. So I missed my entry on the longs here. It is what it is. I think there still is an opportunity coming later. We're trading below 9 o'clock at the moment. Anything here for a potential continuation play higher would be beneficial. It's going to be a bit dangerous to enter it here, though. So we might have to wait for 9:30 open and see what happens. Until then, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We're already up pretty good for the day. And when it comes to the payout, I have to wait 4 more days here, guys. 4 more days and we can request a payout here. So yeah, we're doing fine. We're doing fine. Hope you guys are doing fine as well. Hope you guys are doing good as well. Does IQ have a Discord? Yeah, for sure. It certainly has a Discord. We got 56 people watching already. You guys are awesome. We only been live for about 3 minutes now. Make sure to smash up the like if you enjoyed the live stream. And let's go for the 100 likes today. If we get 100 likes today, we're going to do a giveaway for sure. So smash them likes up, guys. Let me know where you guys are from. I know probably a lot of you guys are from Germany, but we also have some other people here in the chat. Let me know where you're from. Haters, hope you're doing good, my friend. Oop, Yak, hope you're doing good, my friend. Daddle, hope you're doing good. Benjamin, Andre, Electric. Let me know what we got here in the chat. We got Belgium in the chat. Stefan, London, Dallas, Texas. Ricardo, nice. Josh, good morning, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Let me know what we got here in the chat. Let me know what we got here in the chat. Hi, it's me, Chris, of course. Frank. Nice. Hello from Rothenburg. Ole, good morning, my friend. Aus, good morning. Awesome. Everyone's here. Lovely, lovely. Let's see what we got for today, though. Let's see what we got for today. Is this going to be the small current pullback for the long continuation is the question, right? Is this already the long continuation play? It's a bit more dangerous if you ask me. It's a bit more dangerous. Good day, mate. Good day, my friend. Aloha all. Yes, aloha. Yeah, let's see what we have for today, though. We're currently trading below the 9 o'clock candle. Looking for potentially some lower prices to then see price actually push higher here. So until then, I will be waiting. Looking for a potential buy zone down here. So we'll see. We'll see. We also have some stack liquidity here. This also could be a target to come back to. So it's a bit of a mixed situation here overall. If you look at the higher time frame also on ES, ES is coming near a point where you could say it wants to sell off further again to the downside. To correct some of the move that it did previously during the month, right? We also do not have a clear bottom wick on the monthly candle at the moment. You could say that this is a short squeeze. They took out all the liquidity resting above these highs and they're actually going to reverse it back down again. This is of course a prediction in the future, so yeah, we're not all too bright on that type of stuff, but who knows? Who knows what happens here, guys? My entry was at 29.519. Stop loss was at 29.609. But was angry a stop out. My trade plus $10. Potential was 600 with 2 micros. But best access on the 0.5 FIB daily close. That's tough, my friend. That's tough. It's part of the game, though. You have to take a loss sometimes. Gold pumps 700 points. Yeah, gold is definitely pumping here. Gold is definitely pumping. Could you explain your trading strategy? Yeah, I have a really simple video for you that you can watch where I talk about how I look at the charts in case you're interested. It's a 10-minute video, and I'll share it here with you in the chat. You can watch it if you want to. It's an unlisted video. You don't have to pay for it. It just tells you precisely how I look at the chart, so you have a bit of an understanding of what I do and how I do it. Yeah, the 10-year yield is coming down. Yeah, the 30 yield's also coming down. To be honest, my friend, when we were rising like this drastically, I was really expecting the market to react to it differently. Right? I was really expecting price to go and sink like a maniac, to be honest. But it didn't. It did not happen. It did not happen, which I find interesting. But we'll see what happens, though. I do agree that I think it's good for longs. I don't like the current positioning, though. Maybe we could have tried and already put a long on down here, accepting the risk, but it wasn't ideal for me yet. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see, my friends. But let's see what happens, though. I'm looking for potential long. 770 would be the first target here. I would like for some lower prices so we can have a better move here. 930 is going to open here in 17 minutes. 930 can switch all of it around, right? 930 could just pump it up, take the cash session from yesterday high, and then continue selling it off to the downside. And then we could look for a reversal play afterwards again. That's New York session. Did you guys, by the way, see the news? Did you guys see the news about the release of the 24-hour markets, or at least longer markets? Look at this stuff, guys. Look at this stuff. So they're talking about going to 23-hour trading days from December, meaning that you would only have 1 hour break on every single day. So you also trade through the weekend, which is crazy. That's actually genuinely crazy. So that could definitely have a major impact here on the market, guys. Okay, this could have a major impact on the market. Edges that you might have now will disappear potentially. So be ready. Okay, be ready. There's a lot of changes coming. It could also be a fabulous thing, but I don't know. I don't know how the market will react to it. We'll see, though. We'll see what happens. It's going to happen in December, at least if the SEC approves it, okay? If SEC approves it. Let's see, though. Let's see what happens. We got the open here in 15 minutes, guys. Let's see if they want to come down for us and give us the potential entry for the longs. Until then, I'm gonna stay put. I'm not gonna put any risk on the table yet. Not a good day for me. Been losing on my shorts. Ah, that's tough, my friend. What happened? Let me know. Let me know. Maybe I can try to be your therapist. We all go through it, my friend. We all go through it. I'm not special, right? I'm not special. Hey, Martin. Yo, just realized you're streaming here. What happened? Or how did that happen? I'm done for the day early. Gonna watch the stream for a bit. Hey, Martin, that's amazing, bro. W in the chat for Martin. The reason is because IQ reached out to me, my friend. And now we're here, streaming together with the IQ family. I'm enjoying it to the fullest, of course. You know how it goes. Where are you from and where do you live? I live in the Netherlands, close to Amsterdam. So in Europe. I live in Europe. Where are you guys from? Let me know in the chat. We just have got a couple of more people joining in here. Let me know where you guys are from. What do you do for a day-to-day basis? What do you do in a day, guys? Let me know. Let's build a little bit of a connection here. Let's have a little chat while we're waiting for the potential setups to come in. I've got to wait a little bit, you know. Leipzig, now living in Bern. I think that's Germany. I think so. Stop loss at the bottom. Made a break and missed the pump. Bad day so long. Ah, that's tough, my friend. Yeah, that's really tough. That can happen from time to time, you know? Can happen from time to time. I also missed this long. I even called it out. I said to the guys that I have my own little small Discord community. And I said that I was looking for the long. And Daniel is a legend. He actually took the long, okay? He took it. But you can see we were playing both at the same area here. So you can see it here on the chart. We were looking for the longs, both of us, right? And it actually, it didn't go in the beginning. And he caught it again. And I said, I think it's going to happen at 8:30. I can show you guys, actually. Yeah. Here you go. It might go at 8:30. So I said that an hour before. And I was laying like this on my couch, eyes closed. And I totally forgot about the time. And I come back and I look at 8:30 and this guy just went through the roof, guys. It went straight into the atmosphere, right? Without me, because I wasn't here. I wasn't behind the charts. So I missed the move, sadly. But who knows? Who knows? It still can come back, you know? It's never over until it's over here. From Cuba, living in Germany. Nice. I already made my first payout with IQ. I'm ready to burn more accounts. Nice. Yeah, you make sure you get yourself some instant funding accounts, bro. If you know, for the guys that are in the channel here right now, if you know how to trade, you've been trading for a longer period of time, the instant funding accounts are fabulous. They're amazing, truly, and they're really good in comparison to all the competition out there. They're really good accounts. Looking for longs? Yeah, I'm looking for longs personally. What are you looking for? We got 59% of the people looking for longs today. 23% is unbiased, and 18% is looking for shorts. I'm an Icelander living in Rothenburg, Germany. Nice. Every time you guys say Rothenburg, I think about Rotterdam. We have Rotterdam in the Netherlands, okay? This is Rotterdam. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is Rotterdam. I keep, you know, thinking that you guys are talking about this. The moment you guys say Rothenburg, I don't know why. Probably because of the first two letters or whatever. I keep referring to Rotterdam. Looking for chop. Yeah, it might be choppy. We'll see. The open is gonna be a boxing ring for sure. Yeah, Maddie, you might be right here, bro. We'll see what happens. I think it could be the case here. Especially because the actual move already occurred a little bit beforehand. Most viewers are from Germany. Yeah, I've noticed. Yeah, Maddie, glad to see you back, bro. Didn't see you in a while. Good to see you here again. And yeah, let's see what happens. My guys. Bro, you're my English teacher. Nice. That's awesome. You guys can teach me some German as well. I don't know how to speak German at all. Who knows? Maybe in the future. You never know. Like the stream, guys. Yeah, for sure. Like the stream if you guys want a giveaway today. Make sure to hit the likes. We're going for 100 likes today. And then we can do a giveaway today. Rotterdam is awesome. Greetings from Hagen. Oh, nice. Thank you. Leave a thumbs up. Yes. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here. So we're creating a short-term low, it looks like, for the current, the previous 20 minute. And we're currently setting in the low. We do not have a bottom wick on the current 1 minute. Yeah, it's a bit of a iffy situation here. This could definitely be that it's gonna already go here towards the highs just before the open. I don't want to get involved just before the open. I would like to get involved afterwards. So I have to see what the market will do, though. The most ideal situation would be we have a reversal back down. And we generally stay around a little bit here. And then we have 10 o'clock opening up and 10 o'clock reverses price back higher again. But I don't feel like that's going to happen. The most ideal situation normally doesn't occur. You see what I'm saying? Sadly, it would be awesome. But that's mostly not the case here. So we'll see what happens, though. We have some drawdown to play with. I'm not gonna give all my drawdown back again today, so we're gonna take trades if they are reasonable of taking, because yeah, this account is going pretty well, and I wouldn't like to mess it up here. I mean, we're up 1250 today. We took a trade in the London session. I took the entire move to the upside back to the Asia highs from the bottom here, so that was really nice. That actually played out pretty good, and yeah, then I missed the continuation play afterwards. I wanted to long it here again with like 270 bucks risk. Got taken out on break even. This would have been a banger of a trade as well, because that would have made me like up like 2,500 on the day or something like that. But it's okay though. It's okay though. There's more moves to be made later on in the day, if they want to provide us the entries, of course. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. That's the main question here, guys. All right, we're breaking through 9 o'clock open now. We're breaking through 9 o'clock, so we're flipping the 1 hour candle. Similar thing is happening here on the ES. It's also flipping bullish. Delivery is switching to the upside here. Let's see if they want to continue. I got myself a can of energy to make sure that I'm completely focused in and dialed in here, guys. I really needed this stuff. Man, yesterday, guys, I was exhausted, like genuinely mentally exhausted, guys. I thought to myself, oh, it's gonna be easy, guys. It's gonna be easy, you know, streaming 4 hours after I already streamed in the morning. It's gonna be easy. It's pretty exhausting. I like it because you guys are here, we're chatting, we're having fun, we're looking at the charts together, which is awesome. But bro, it could be, it's pretty exhausting if you ask me. But it is what it is, though. We're doing it, and we're making it work here, right? W in the chat for everyone who's here right now. 28,800 looks like a great target as well. Yeah, I think anything to the upside looks great at the moment. Question is, do they want to come down before they go up, right? They actually took this low, so they made price efficient here. Could be that they already want to go from here, right? Could all be that they want to go from here, actually. That wouldn't be ideal. I would like to see lower prices, like genuinely. So we'll see, though. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, whether or not they want to come down first. That's the main concern that I have right now. Do they want to come down here and give us a potential entry here for the longs? Is my main concern. Dump all the way and let me long all the way up. Yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? We'll see, though. We have 6 minutes left until the open. Until the New York Stock Exchange open here, guys. Let's have a look at what's going to happen here. Ooh, we're already getting some wicks here. We're getting some wicks already, some action. I can't drink. If I drink too much of this stuff, I'm unstoppable. So I'm slowing it down already a little bit. This is too much caffeine, guys. This is like, what is this? Like 200 milligrams or something like that? Let me actually have a look here. Let's see. Let's see. Like I'm poisoning myself, probably. Let's have a look. You notice that when you have like one of those caffeines and look at the description, guys. You see the shit? And I'm drinking this, not wondering what's inside of this. Look at this. It's like a full-on label. This is like an essay, guys. This is like a school essay that you have to write down and they put it on a can. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. I have no idea. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not even that much, actually. It's 32 grams. So it's 100 grams of 100 milligrams of caffeine. Is that a lot? I don't know. It might be. I have no idea. It might be. Still better than doing crack. Yeah, well, okay. Yeah, it's a comparison to make here, bro. It's a comparison to make. We got 80 people watching, 57 likes. If you guys enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the like. And let's get it rolling here. Sweep that high and let me short it all the way down. Yeah, let's see, bro. Let's see. You might be right here. You might be right. We potentially are creating a bullish bearish divergence here as well. What platform is this? The one on the left or the one on the right? The one on the right is deep charts and the left one is trading view. Whew. Getting old. Snapping my neck like it's nothing. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. We got the FOMC later today as well, by the way. At 8 p.m. FOMC meetings. What do you guys expect for today? Do you guys expect that's going to be major? Could definitely be the case, right? Could definitely be the case. I would not advise to trade it, though. In my honest opinion here. Can we link deep charts with trading view? I have them on 2 separate tabs here, bro. I just need one good entry and I'll be back. That's the way of life, bro. That's the way of life, my friend. The life of a trader. One trade can change it all in the instance of a moment here. But it could also make it worse. We're all here to trade and the benefit is some money. Exactly, my friend. We're here to trade, and if you make good trades, money will come in naturally. That's the beauty of the game, guys. That's the beauty of the craft. Yeah, we're trying to learn the craft of trading, and if you learn the craft of trading, money will find you, okay? Money will come to you, like genuinely be attracted to you. If you make good trades, it will come. Just focus on making good trades, guys. One trade should never change everything. No, of course. But it can change you being break-even or being in stop-loss, right? Or being in drawdown. I'm not talking about one trade should make you $1 million if you have $2,000 in your bank account, okay? I'm not referring to that. That would be awesome, but it's not realistic. It's fine. I'm just using the EVA account bought with your code TJ. Awesome. Appreciate that, bro. Thank you. I appreciate you. Hopefully it gave you the best possible discount here. We in a trade yet? No. We're not in a trade yet. The open is going to be here in 1 minute. I'm not trading it just before the open. I'm looking for a setup though, but we'll see what happens. They could also sweep it below 500 if they want to here, guys. That would be crazy, but it could definitely happen. Opens are opens, guys. And you have some stacked lows here, right? So yeah, let's see. Got the open in 24 seconds. Manage your capital here, guys. I don't think any trade should define you, Philip. I don't think any trade should define you, bro. Trading is already personal enough. All right, let's see. We have the open. Let's see what happens here. Up, down, up, down. Let's see what's gonna do here. Yeah, there you go. Big sink to the downside, it looks like. Is it going to hunt these lows? That would be crazy. If it's gonna hunt these lows. It could definitely happen though. Then we might be able to try and take the sweep here, but I would have to see how much that would be. If they want to really sweep it all the way down. Yeah, we could try something like this if they sweep. We'll see what happens here. Could also just stop here, and I'm way too excited with these lows. Yeah, you never know. Okay. A friend just called. Asked to go full margin and close your eyes. No. I'm not doing that, my friends. It was a $9 one before the change. Is not sure if it's still available. Yeah, the $9 welcome offer is still available, and you will get a 50k account, my friends and family. Thomas, if you're in a day with no reference to the upside, how do you determine your TP? Risk to reward perspective, most of the times. And you can also use standard deviations. So let's say, for example, now we use the open of 9 o'clock to the low of 9 o'clock. If we have a bullish market, we could start using the one standard deviation of the current wick. All right, we're expecting that the candle is forming the opposite or the equal amount of value, the opposite direction, right? And that you could use it this way. So you use the open of whatever candle you're trying to trade, and then you look for the opposing value in the standard deviation. You see what I'm saying? Because this is not crazy, right? This is something that could definitely happen, and then it's a calculated move. But then again, if you then enter like this, right? If you enter like this, then it's just a one-to-one. So you could also enter within the creation of the wick. So if you're looking for buy momentum, you would try to get involved in the bottom half of the wick instead of vice versa. And then you could increase your target by doing so. But it's also dangerous, right? Because, for example, I'm trying to get involved now at this current stage. The current delivery of the hour is bearish, right? So the most ideal scenarios would be, for example, this is 9 o'clock. So we know that 9 o'clock is trading below the open. But this is also a 3 o'clock candle, right? At 9 o'clock, opens a new 3-hour candle. So let's say price continues delivering down. You have a new hourly open for 10 o'clock. Trades below, trades above. Retest is 10. And then you know, okay, the creation of the candle, even though we're still below its current opening, on the bottom half is providing me a reason to go long. Do you see that? So now you're aligning your time frames. And that's how you can get involved with certain trades. The same scenario what I did here. I took it here. This is the perfect example for the London session. So if you look at this from the London perspective. Which one is it? LDO. All right. Let's see. So let me show you guys for the London trade here. So this is the exact example, right? So you have 2 o'clock. So you're trading below the daily open. A lot of people here would assume that this continues down, which could completely be the case here, okay? Don't get me wrong, okay? Like, I'm not a magician. Like, just because I make a good trade doesn't mean it's always destined to happen. But we sweep Asia low. You have a divergence on the 15-minute time frame with the current trend, right? So there was a 15-minute divergence, bullish divergence. The switch over delivery happens, right? So this means you're trading below, you trade above. Right now, internally, you're switching its delivery, right? The 4 hours delivering bullish. So it's going against the trend after sweeping liquidity. That's when I started looking for my entry, okay? And I took my entry and I traded it all the way back towards Asia high. You see what I mean here? I hope that makes sense. So that is what you could do if you have targets and how you get involved and stuff. This could give you that edge that you're looking for. At least that's what works for me, you know? All right, we retested 9 o'clock here. Interesting, you see that? So we went all the way up, precisely back to 9 o'clock. Look at this. This is to the tick, guys. Back to 9 o'clock open. And we're selling below New York session open again. Let's see what happens. 50k account with $1. Can you explain more? No, it's a $9 account. Just got to see if the welcome offer. Nice. Please like. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. If you want a giveaway today, hit the like button. All right, let's see if they want to come lower for us and then go higher potentially. We'll see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. Let me remove everything but this one and this one. All right. Let's see. Welcome offers 1 day pass or have some consistency rules on eval. No, it's a 1 day pass, my friend. It's a 1 day pass. I hope that I explained it to you, F3. I hope that I gave you a little bit of insight, bro. What is the RSI? The RSI is the relative strength index. I use it for divergences. Just define strength for me. I know that a lot of people say it's a lacking indicator, but I don't use it for the indicator itself necessarily. I use it for the creations of the candles. So let's say, for example, now we're trading below 3, right? We're trading below 3 o'clock. Let's say we're now going to take these lows out. That could be the target, right? And we have a bullish divergence. I think this is a sweep of liquidity, okay? And then I would look for the reversal play back higher, back towards the highs. You see that? So that's how I would use it. That's how I personally use it. I don't use it for any other reason. You could also say that if it's oversold or overbought and let's say, for example, it goes into the oversold territory and we're trading below the open of the day, you could also say it's going to create a bottom wick for the current candle you're trading. So yeah, it has multiple things here. You did, thanks. Okay, no problem, man. Hopefully, if you have any other questions, bro, reach out. I'm not the best trader out there, guys. I keep saying this to you, also to humble myself. Even when it goes good, I shouldn't feel like I'm overly confident because that's only gonna mess it up here. I'm still a developing trader. Yes, I get payouts, but I'm far from where I can be in life. Okay, so we're doing it together here. You see what I'm saying? We're doing it together. Complete transparency, guys. There's no point in trying to be someone you're not. All right, let's see what happens here, though. How is everyone feeling today, by the way? Let me know in the chat. How are you guys feeling? Hope you guys are doing good. Good news. Good morning, brother. Feeling good. Awesome, bro. That's nice. Any day above ground is a good day, my friend. Remind yourself of it. Any day above ground is a blessed day, guys. If you're alive and breathing and you're allowed here to trade, if you have the benefits in life to be able to trade, to look at the charts, you have a blessed life, guys. You have a blessed life. This shit is it's like disgusting, to be honest. Like, it's actually disgusting, but I need it because otherwise I'm not going to stay awake. Gold. What's gold doing? Yeah, gold is still pushing. Yeah. Yeah, we were looking for longs on gold today, but I couldn't catch them. I didn't see the entry. Easy to say when it is all the way up here, right? But we did look for longs today. All right, let's see what happens here. They're selling off pretty nicely. Could be that we're gonna take these lows like mentioned before, and that we then have the reversal play here. We just gotta wait and see, guys. Gotta wait and see. Patience is the name of the game here, guys. It's midweek, by the way. It's Wednesday. Do you guys have any plans for the weekend? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys have any plans for the weekend? We got 105 people watching. Who's actively watching? Press a 1 in the chat if you're actively watching. Ignacio. Hello, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for subscribing. What are you guys going to do during the weekend? Let me know. Let me know what you're going to do during the weekend. Give me a little bit of insight on what you guys are going to do. Also tell you what I'm going to do. Toby, what's happening, bro? Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in, my friend. What are you guys going to do over the weekend? Techno Classics, Frankfurt. Oh, nice. You like the techno music? I got someone in my community that is the founder of Underground Amsterdam. He's also a techno DJ. Electric. He's a legend. He is a legend. Am I allowed to show your Instagram, Electric? Maybe we can do that in a minute. Can I show it? It's actually crazy. He's a legend. I'm going to Maastricht for a trip on the weekend. Oh, nice. I'm just gonna chill and do nothing this weekend. That's also good. Backtest? You're gonna... What are you gonna backtest, bro? I'm assuming the charts. Bad joke, bad joke, bad joke. I had to make it, It was an open goal. Bad joke. Nice. Yeah, I'm having a party this weekend, guys. I'm having a party this weekend. So I'm gonna go back to my old city. Gonna go and have a nice weekend. So I drive on Saturday. I go there. I have a fun night. Go back on Sunday, and I'll be here again live streaming on Monday. I'll have to sit in the car for like probably 5 to 6 hours just to go there, guys. What a life. I'll be walking on the glacier in the Alps. Oh yeah, that's amazing. That's way better, actually. You got this. Yeah, of course. I put a podcast on, guys. I put a podcast on and I lay back and I drive. Just like that. Just like that. You know how we do it. Gotta make it work here, guys. What do you guys like to listen to? You guys listen to any podcasts? You guys listen to any bukes? Or what do you guys do? Let me know. Let me know if you guys do that. I listen to a lot of podcasts. I read a lot of books as well. I read a lot of books as well. I'm reading a new book now. You guys want to know what book I'm reading? Let me know if you want to know what book I'm reading currently. Do you only trade the Nasdaq? Not necessarily. No, I trade gold from time to time. But you know what it is with gold, my friend? Gold is like the toxic ex-girlfriend that you go back to every now and again, right? And then she manipulates you again, and then you don't want to talk to her anymore. Right? That's gold. And I've been manipulated by gold many times. And most of the times when something goes wrong, I go back to gold. Okay? And that's not a good sign. Nasdaq is like amazing. How did you learn not to chase the move? Burn my hands so many times that I just don't wanna do it. Yeah, you know what the thing is, guys? I got like some random messages in the middle of the night on my phone, and it was Gold asking me if I could forgive her, like genuinely. She's like, "Can you forgive me, please?" And I'm like, "Okay, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow." And of course, I trade her and I lose my account, right? Did you trade crypto also? Yeah, I used to trade crypto in the beginning, but trading crypto not necessarily anymore, but investing for sure, yes. Out of curiosity, why don't you trade crypto? I don't think it's necessary personally. Like the thing is, guys, diversification is a good thing. But there's no need in forcing yourself trading into multiple assets and stuff. It's for me, like I've noticed, like like I really went deep into crypto, guys. Okay, so I used the overall market analysis. I used to see the total volume, total 1, total 2, and I look at, okay, is it going down, is it going up? And then I would contradict it against the Bitcoin. I would use the main currency pair, see where the money flow was coming from. I did it all, guys. Okay, and I've noticed that it wasn't increasing my win percentage overall. Like it wasn't doing me anything good at all. Okay, so when I just started trading Nasdaq, it was way better. I did everything when I was trading crypto, bro. I did everything. I felt like I felt like someone that was actually an astronaut. In space. I had like this chart open, bro. I had everything, and it didn't work. Okay, so I decided to just trade the Nasdaq. What was in your coffee? No, I'm not drinking coffee, bro. I'm drinking energy. You notice it, huh? You notice it. That's what I'm saying. I need this shit. I'm gonna buy this every day. Energize, baby. No more coffee for me. I'm gonna drink something that I don't understand with an essay as long as a school report here, and I just use this to be alive here. Oh, can you make a personal ranking on books, the best for psychology and on money in your Discord? Yeah, sure, I could definitely do that. I don't mind talking about books after all. We're still waiting for these lows to be taken. That would be the most ideal situation here. And then look for higher prices, okay? If it happens earlier, then we just have to wait for 10 o'clock. But I do think they want to take these lows. We'll see, though. We'll see what happens. But when it comes to books, are you guys ready? Is someone going to type the books down? And then type it out in the chat. Let me know, because I know I name you some books that you definitely have to read here, okay? If you guys want it, of course. If you don't want it, then I don't do it. Oh yeah, the book that I'm currently reading is this one. It's this one. It's the book about Caesar, okay? So it's about Caesar. This book is 600 pages of readable content. It's a whole book about the autobiography of Caesar, which is crazy. He's actually like, you could say that he's like the founder of Rome. The guy was his son was the most wealthiest person to ever live on this planet, just so you know. How many years have you been trading? I've been trading for 6 years now. Well, yeah, like real trading, a little bit shorter. But like I've been in the market for over 6 years. You guys don't want to talk about the books? I don't see anyone is willing to go over it, and I wouldn't bring it up here. If you guys don't want it, then it's okay. It's no problem. It's no problem. All right, let's see. We're going down lower. Yeah, I'm still preferring these lows to be taken to then have the long continuation. Let's see. You can tell me on Discord. Yeah, I wouldn't mind it. I can also tell it here. So the first book that I would read if I were you is The Secret by Bob Proctor. The Secret by Bob Proctor. And I know this sounds a little bit controversial, because it's a book about manifestation, but it's a good book because it helps you. It gives you an understanding of how to manifest things in your life. And manifestation, guys, to be honest, is not about closing your eyes and being like some hippie, okay? Manifestation is about putting hard work in the right direction, okay? It's about putting hard work, but work that also counts, okay? A lot of people like to do a lot of hard work, which doesn't matter, okay? So you have to do work that counts. And if you read that book, that is like the first driver for you to understand how that works. So I would say read The Secret by Bob Proctor. Let's see what happens here, if they want to take the lows. Another book that I would read is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. That gives you a really clear understanding of the fact that everyone is living on one planet, but there is 7 billion different worlds, okay? And it's all has to do with the fact that everyone has a different perspective on life, a different perspective on money, and no one will understand why you do what you do. Maybe a fellow trader would understand it if you're trying to make money. All right, we're taking the lows here. I'm gonna look for a potential long entry here, guys. Just waiting here a second on the potential sweep if they want to reverse. We need to get some movement the other way though. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, guys. Now I'm okay with looking for potential longs here. Just have to wait and see if this wants to happen. So yeah, and then The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is another book that I would read. Another book that I would read is The Changing World Order by Ray Dalio. And that mostly has to do with having an understanding of the economy. As for traders, it's really important. So I would read that book. The Power of a Habit by Charles Duhigg. I would also read that one. For sure. For sure, I would read that one as well. Because The Power of a Habit is... If you think about it, guys, anything you do in life, most of the things we do in life is subconscious, okay? It's something that you're not aware of. If you're driving a stick car, you're driving the car. if you had to think about every shift that you had to do, every time you had to press the brake, if you had to think about all of that stuff, it would be impossible for us to do it, okay? Our brain shuts out a lot of stuff. It does it automatically. And it's the same stuff in trading here, okay? So whenever you get into a FOMO trade, your brain does it automatically for you, and you have to be aware of that. Awareness kills the habit, okay? Then you can rebrand the habit here. So that's major importance, guys. Trust me. That's major importance. Non-financial advice, by the way. So I would get that book as well. The Power of a Habit by Charles Duhigg. Good afternoon. I'm late for the stream. You're never late. You're always welcome. Hope you're doing all right. Make sure to smash up the like. Hey brother, do you have any good videos on your candlestick knowledge? How to think around the openings of the candle, and especially the 1 to 4 hour candles throughout the session? Sorry if you already shared it. Yeah, I have a video, a personal video that I made. It's an unlisted video. I don't mind sharing it with you for sure. Here you go. All right, there's no buying pressure whatsoever, guys. It's not doing it for us at the moment. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It might just want to continue. Glad I didn't execute on the longs here. It might just want to continue selling off. Did you read some trading books? Any good ones? Yeah, well, you have the common one, of course. Trading in the Zone. By Mark Douglas. Okay, it's a good book. But then again, I think that if you have a bad psychology on life itself, it's not gonna change if you read a book about psychology and trading. Okay, it's not that hard to write a book on psychology of trading, because everyone can relate to it. It's if you talk about losses, if you talk about the fear of losing, a lot of that stuff, everyone can relate to it. You know what I mean? Because everyone goes through it. It's just human behavior. So I think the best thing you can do is looking at your daily life first. Understand how you do and how you operate in your everyday life, and then you reflect it back to trading. Because if you don't have an understanding of your daily daily habits, your daily psychology and stuff, you're not gonna understand trading. Because trading is really hard, the psychology side of things. Okay, it's really hard. Trading is, guys, I'm telling you. I know there's a lot of influencers out there that are trying to make you perceive trading as some fantasy. Trading is hard, guys. Okay, it's fucking hard. Okay. You see what I'm saying? I'm not trying to make it sound better than it is. It's hard, okay? and I'm making money trading, okay? You see what I'm saying? I'm making money. It's not that I'm making like insane amounts of money. It's not that I'm making like millions a year, but still, okay? I hope you understand that. I'm trying to be as honest as I can with you guys about this, about the fact that it's just really hard. Yo, Thomas, can you tell me how you can trade the NAS on the CFD? Yeah, just the NAS 100, bro. If you type in NAS, it's NAS 100. It's not that hard. That must be sarcasm. I'm disappointed. You're a real trader. Yeah, sorry, bro. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, bro. I think the technical aspect is hard, but I don't agree with people. The psychology part is the hardest. If you break from this shit, you did not go through enough shit in your life before. I don't know if that's true, bro. I don't know. It's different. Like Chris, it's mostly personality types, bro. You could be a blue personality type, so you're more technically based, meaning that trading might give you trading already is something that is favorable to you as a person. But you could also be a commander or someone that is a red personality type, okay? And that's someone that is aggressive, taking action constantly, right? And then you put yourself through the suffering. So there's a lot of different personalities out there that react completely different to trading. There's people that manage to make it work in 1 year, okay? And they are profitable. And they have a certain personality for it. So it's all personality based in this instance. We have a really bullish divergence here with the ES guys. Look at the ES. ES is going like a maniac. I think the Nasdaq can follow through here soon. I might give it a crack here and risk some of the profits that I made today. Let me see if we want to buy this through or not. Am I gonna wait here for the 10 o'clock open? Could also come back towards this low. It's it's a really massive bullish divergence here. Look at the S. I'm gonna give it a crack here. Alright, so I took a long here on the NES. Oh, that's one too many. Alright, selling one off. Alright, let's see what happens here. I'm gonna be really aggressive with my stop loss placement. Let's see if they want to push through here. I'm looking for a V-shaped recovery back to the upside here. My stop is currently placed below the current low. It's aggressive. It's a really aggressive position here, guys. Okay, so don't take it if you can't afford to lose it, because this could also be a continuous bearish divergence here, and the S is just gonna pull higher. Okay. Hello, how you doing, my friend? Hope you're doing all right. Hope you're doing all right. Let's see if we can align ourselves with the S. Let the cracking begin. Yes, sir. Let the cracking begin. Alright, re-break of the current 3-minute high would be break even for me on this trade. We have the new 4-hour opening up in 4 minutes here. Let's see if they want to go. Let's see if they want to go here, guys. ES is holding up pretty steadily here. We need to see the Nasdaq following through here as well. Hello, Tommy. Become a legend like you. I'm not a legend, bro. I'm just a regular guy trying to make it work here. Just a regular guy trying to make it work. Nothing special. Appreciate the compliment, though. How long did you need to get profitable? For me to be more consistently profitable, it changed within weeks, okay? But it took me years to get there. So the thing is with trading, guys, and it's with a lot of stuff in life, you could be working on the same stuff for years and years on end, and then everything changes in just like 2 weeks, right? And it mostly for me was a realization point, as in, okay, I was like, okay, I need to stop making myself suffer by doing certain stuff that I don't want to do, and that was like over risking, over trading, and all that type of stuff, right? That was like for me the most killer for me personally. Let me have a look here, guys. Give me 1 sec. All right, still holding up on the S. I'm still okay. I'm still gonna hold on to this one. I think this should be okay. We'll see though. Could definitely sink lower if they want to. It would not be ideal. But for me, it was a realization thing, bro. And it was mostly that I should not compare myself to other traders, or look at what other traders were doing and then trying to make the same outcome, right? Because you can't win from someone that's not playing by the rules here, guys, okay? You can't win from someone that's not playing by the rules. If someone is only showing you wins and they're not showing you the fact that they're losing, you can't win from them mentally. It's going to be impossible, okay? So you need to find, either you find a group of people that you truly think are trying to make themselves better traders, or you just go a little bit on the individual road, okay? And you just accept that you can't do it with someone else. I think it's a good thing to do it with someone else, but maybe you can't find someone. And you go from there, you know? That for me was the best. Let's see if they want to go, though. Got the new 4-hour opening up here in a minute. Here we go, new 4-hour. Let's see if they want to break through. This might be a continuation play for the lows instead of a reversal. Does look like it at the moment. Maybe my massive short comes down today. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like this could be a continuation play down. We'll see what happens though. ES is holding itself up again. Thomas, how long do you hold a position? Depends, bro. It really depends. Depends on the scenario. ES is buying itself up drastically here, guys. Let's see if we can have a buy up as well here for the Nasdaq. Let's see if this wants to happen though. Doesn't look like it at the moment. How much does your trading setup cost? Too much. Too much, my friend. I can make a picture of how my screen, what I have here. Give me 1 second. Let me make a picture here. There you go. Let's see. Do you see that? So I have 4 screens. And a lot of stuff. It's not looking ideal here. Is this going to be the continuation short play? It does look like it. I might cut it loose here, guys, due to the closure here on the 3. We have to see what happens here. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll throw my stop below this current low. If they take me out, then that's okay. It's a small loss if that happens. ES is holding up, but the Nasdaq is not doing it though. But this could be the short-term bottom for the reversal back higher, or it's gonna sink it through here. And I'll just take my stop loss a little bit earlier here. Do you trade meme coins? No, I don't. I do not trade meme coins. No. Let's see. We also closed back into the range on ES, as you can see here. But it says buying itself up. Nasdaq is not doing it though. So I'm wondering where could the Nasdaq go if this wants to go lower. Right? That's what I'm wondering here at the moment. Swept all the liquidity from the current day. So then you would say it wants to go for a previous day liquidity, or maybe this low right here at 29,240. Maybe. We'll see though. Think we're gonna get taken out here now? Let's see. Oh, it's still alive. Doesn't look too good. Nah, it's not looking too bright. But it's okay though, it's not a problem. Hey, we're still alive. Let's see if he wants to buy himself back up here. That would be a crazy survival run if that happens. Sanda, good morning. Hope you're doing alright. Welcome to the live stream once again. How are you doing? I'm doing fantastic, my friend. How are you? How are you doing today? You're on buying? Yeah, I'm currently buying. But I wouldn't buy it personally at the moment. Unless they start buying it further up. Then I might scale into the position. But it's currently not looking all too bright. We had a really nice push here for ES. So I thought it might be a reversal play here for 10. Could still happen though. But currently it's not looking all too good. We'll see what happens. Could still go. A reversal play back into the range would be what I was looking for here. If this closes bullish, that would be the first initial sign here that it might want to go. Harsh, just send it out to my Discord chat, bro. Hope you understand. I'm not going to answer that question here. We got 150 people watching. If you guys enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the like. Then we can do a giveaway today for you guys. That would be the plan here, wouldn't it? That would be the plan. Not too bright of a closure here. See if they want to push through here or not. I think I might cut this trade short. We'll see. See if they want to push through it now or not. Or do I just hold on to it? I'll just hold on to it. If they take me out, it's okay. We had a couple of options here to get out and break even, but we'll see what happens. I think it might take us out here after the tap of 10. We're also selling off again on the S. Wiki here, guys. Wiki. Pump it market. Yeah, let's hope so. I don't think so, though. I think it looks pretty selling at the moment. I was expecting 10 to flip and reverse back into the range, like instantly. It's holding down a little bit harder here than expected. Are you going to trade the FOMC minutes? No. Ich binds. Good morning, my friend. Welcome to the live stream. Alright, I think I'm gonna get taken out here now. Yeah, I got taken out. So you had the retest of 10 o'clock. Selling it off lower now. Let's see, guys. Never broke back above the line of interest that I had. Do you only trade Nasdaq on the daily bias? Yeah, I only trade Nasdaq most of the time. But I also trade gold. But I only trade gold from time to time. Gold right now is way too high for me to trade. Let's see what happens here, guys. Is this going to be a continuation move to the downside? We got 116 people, 91 likes. We got a giveaway today if you guys hit the like button. So the sweep of the lows. Is this going to be the reversal play now? That will be interesting. Let's see though. We got 92 likes, guys. Make sure to smash up the likes. Let's see what happens here. We swept the liquidity. Is it going to reverse now? Doesn't look too bright for the reversal play, though. Is it going to be the continuation play is the question, of course. What's the VIX doing? It's falling shortly. Interesting. Interesting at the moment here, guys. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let's say they do break back above 10 o'clock. I might just try the long again here. I'm not really preferring the shorts from here, personally. Also with the S holding up like it is doing right now. If the S is starting to sell off, it might change my directional bias here. I do like the cash session high from yesterday. I like that a lot if it wants to come back there. You have relative equal highs to the upside as well. It might want to continue selling off though. You never know. Could also say that we want to go back to 240 here. Because that's also a set low at 930. So you have two targets in mind here. It could definitely also come back down here, guys. Maybe I have to accept that and try to move in for the shorts here. Retest of 10. ES also falling. Yeah, maybe we have to try the shorts here. Let's see. I think I'm now a little bit late. We need to see a pullback. And then 241 could be the target. That's your New York cash session low. Right here from, I don't know when this was actually. Let's have a look. From the 6th of August. So it's a while ago. Yeah, this is something I could be looking for here. On the 3. Coming back into 420. How ironic. And then my stop would be above the previous 3-minute high. Targeting back to 42. This could be something I could be looking for here, guys. Make your own analysis, of course. There would be a short continuation play here. We'll be risking one less. Let's see if they want to give the entry though. If they wick me in, it could also happen on the next 15-minute time frame. Let's see though. What are you guys looking for today? Are you guys trading anything? Let me know if you guys are trading anything at all. If so, what are you trading? I wonder what you're trading. Let's hope they're not gonna etch us like this. That would be quite upsetting here. I'm in gold buys. Oh, nice. Let's hope it plays out for you. BTC longs, nice. We got 95 likes, guys. Let's do 5 more likes and we can do a giveaway here. Press the like button. MNQ shorts, yes, that's what I'm looking for here as well now. But they're etching my entry here. Kinda sus, if you ask me. Got a new 15 coming in 40 seconds. Push the like. Yeah, we got 102 likes. W in the chat, guys. Let me set up the giveaway here for you guys. Let me set up the giveaway. Giving away a let's see, a 50k instant today. What do you guys think about that? A CFD 50k instant. I think that's awesome, isn't it? All right, let me set it up for you guys. Give me 1 second here. Let's see. All right, that's more like it. All right, let me send you guys the link. All right, the link is in the chat here. Link is in the chat. Tune in to the giveaway here. Link is in the chat. All right, let's see if we can be a part of this short continuation play. Alright, I got tagged into my short. The flip of the current 3 would be break even for me. Let's see if they want to set it through here, guys. We have a really hard buy here for yes. Yeah, it's not looking ideal. Nope. Interesting candle here, guys. Yeah, this is CFD instant, guys. This is for the Forex side. 50K account. Instant account. Alright. I think I'm gonna get taken out here. It is what it is. Taking the stop loss. Interesting market here, guys. Interesting 15-minute candle here. We got 62 participants already in the giveaway here. Yeah, we're buying up drastically here for yes. Look at this. What is a CV instant? It's an instant funding account. A 50K instant funding account. We inverted the gap here. What are the rules for the instance? All the rules are on the website, bro. I don't want to make a mistake here, so make sure to read them on the website, so you have a clear understanding of the rules. I was trading M&Q London short. Oh, nice. Yeah, I longed it this morning. I longed it this morning. Let's see what happens though. We're breaking out on the S. Nasdaq holding itself now still down though. Are we getting top ticked again here? That would be kind of upsetting if we get top ticked here. Let's see. Make sure to join the giveaway here, guys. I pinned the message to join the giveaway in the bottom right corner in the chat. Yeah, it seems like we got the top ticked again here, guys. What a way to go. What a way to go here, guys. I prefer shorts. Yeah, I had the longs this morning though. I had the longs this morning. Right now I'm a bit mixed. I tried the short here. We got top ticked, and now it's moving higher again anyway. So I'm a bit mixed here personally. I wouldn't mind seeing a reversal play here back into the range. Especially with the S pushing higher like this. This is the new 20 as well. Let's see. It's an interesting market for sure. I've noticed that the New York session has been harder lately, especially for well, like I mean, like the London session is like done, finito, and New York it likes to play around a little bit. We got 100 people in the giveaway. Make sure to tune into the giveaway. Link is in the chat. All right, we're selling off again. ES also selling off. Let's see what happens here, guys. If they want to go down further. It's pretty hard trying to squeeze yourself into a setup here for sure. Am I giving the shorts another crack? Give me a second here. Yeah, so we did get top tick today. Once again. It's nothing new for us now. %70% of my losses were in the New York session. It's only Asia for me now. Yeah, find whatever works. Mitchell, how to join the giveaway? The link is in the chat, bro. I do wait for a mini retracement short again. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, bro. If you're looking at the higher time frame, what type of bias we're looking at, because we're trying to buy and sell. I trade the candle creations, right? So I adapt to what the market is showing me in the moment. The reason I tried to buy first here is because I was looking for the reversal play at 10, meaning that 10 o'clock would reverse back into the range, which it didn't. So now it could be a continuation play. Okay. So it's not that I have like, oh, the 4 hours showing me bearish momentum. Whatever. I want to look for shorts. It could also be, because that's the thing with trading, right? How many times do you see a daily candle looking all the way bearish, and at the end of the day it flips all the way back up again and then closes initially down, and you have a sweep on both ends, right? Multiple times. And that's why I'm adapting myself to the market, right? I adapt to what the market is showing me, and if the market is telling me, yo, I want to go this way, then I try to get involved, and I keep my risk tight, and I let my trades run when it wants to, right? That's how I do it personally. And same scenario was here this morning when I took the long. It was a clear setup for me though, liquidity and stuff like that and everything. But yeah, New York is New York, guys. It's been harder for sure. What's your YouTube channel? My YouTube channel is Thomas Jacoba with the C. As long as it's near the POC, do not trade. The point of control of what range though? Of the current day? Are you referring to the current day point of control? Because if you look at the point of control, you can select any range and it gives you a different point of control. Why did you change from crypto to NQ? Mostly because I've noticed that crypto, it makes it for me more hectic than it has to be. And I mean, you can trade one, if you know how to trade one asset or one pair or whatever, it's more than enough, my friend. Marco, hello, hope you're doing good. You're right about New York being a little tougher lately. Yeah, it's been tough for sure. It's been really tough. It's just seems like there's like less directional bias. Gold was just buy and hold here, but yeah, here, yeah, you can see like it's not really doing anything, right? It's not really doing anything. We got 120 people in the giveaway already. Tune in for the giveaway, you guys. If you want to be a part of it, of course. Thank you for subscribing, Randolph, Duke. Hey, Duke. Hope you're doing good, bro. Are you an actual Duke? If you are, don't forget about me, bro. Don't forget. I'm trying to make it out as well. No, I'm just joking. Welcome to the live stream, bro. You doing all right? Hope you're doing all right. And let's see what happens here, guys. Do they want to go higher? Yes or no? $120 in the giveaway and 15 in the chat. Yeah, there's definitely some people in with double names, but don't worry about it, because they're not gonna get the they're not gonna get it if they think that it is gonna help them. When you have an asset like NQ, which is somewhat engineered to go up, the selling market is always tough to participate in. Nice. Stove, good to see you here, bro. Drop a W in the chat for Stove. My man just became a dad. He's a legend. He's a legend. Gold's up 3%. Yeah, gold is rising, guys. Gold is insane today. I don't see the link to join the... Bro, the giveaway link is right here, my friend. It's right here. Alright, we're rising again, guys. We're rising again. Is this finally going to be the breakout? Am I willing to try this again is the question, of course. I've been starting to lose my confidence in the New York session slowly but steadily here, guys. Starting to lose my confidence in the New York session. Makes only sense to trade back from the value area high to the value area high, value area low to the value area high, back to the point of control. What do you mean? Hi from Luzum. Hello. Hope you're doing all right. Let's see what we have here for ES. Seems like we want to break back above 2 of 10 o'clock, so we're trying to break the 4-hour candle bullish here. Let's see what happens here, guys. I might try to scale in or on the retrace. It really depends on how they do it, though. Ah, like that. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you're saying. 460. I might just wait for a bit here, actually. It's a tougher market, guys, to be honest. I'm trying to make sense out of it, but it's being a little rougher today. So yeah, the sweep of the lows again. Forming bullish sentiment, but either I need to take this trade and have a huge stop, or I need to wait. So I might wait. I might just wait. And accept that I gave back 240 here for now. Just gonna wait and see, guys. So sweep liquidity. That's gonna be interesting. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. What are you guys looking for yourself? Are you guys looking for longs? Are you guys looking for shorts? Let me know what you're looking for and why. It is a buy on NQ. Yeah, let's see. I wouldn't mind this, but the question is, how do you get involved? And how do you get involved with a reasonable stop? It's almost impossible here. If I open an account with a new email, do we get a discount? Is that bad? Yeah, you shouldn't do that, Mitchell. It's against the rules, my friend. So, of course, it's not allowed. I might be willing to take an entry of 53 here, guys. If they come back potentially on the next 5-minute candle, for example. Or on this current 3. If they then break it down again, then New York session is done. So it's done. So if that happens. Let's wait to see if it passed today's high. No. If I have to wait all the way to up here, then there's no way for me to enter the trade. We just swept liquidity on ES. Swept liquidity above these highs. If they now break lower, this could also be the short continuation play. Tough, 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 tough. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, guys. Don't enter with multiple emails here, guys, okay? Sebastian, you entered already for like 4 times, bro. Sebastian, bro, like... You think you can get away with it, my friend? Like, genuinely? It's like an actual question that I got for you now. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, what do you want me to do, my friend? Like, you know, like... Do I need to come get you? Sebastian, bro, stop entering extra accounts. It's not gonna be, you're not gonna make it anyways. Like, you're gonna get flagged for it, bro. It's not worth it, my guy. Let's see what happens here. Is this going to be the breakout? He's nerving the giveaway. And not necessarily. No, not necessarily. Let's see what happens. What are you guys looking for? Let me know in the chat. You guys looking for longs? You guys looking for shorts? And why are you looking for what you're looking for? Give me 1 second, guys. YM looks good. Yeah, don't trade YM, guys. Yeah, we are breaking out here. Let's see what the next 20 minute does. We can potentially get involved on the next 20. On the retest down. 37 minutes to go for the giveaway, guys. Daily low and weekly low? You mean this one? And this one? Or what are you referring to? Yeah, I've marked it out. I've marked them out. Long since 418. Nice. Well played. Good catch. I did not see any way to enter here personally. But that's nice. Good job. I'm waiting for a retrace here to get involved on the long. That would be the goal for me. What is the theme for the music? Lovi. I guess. You wanna have the playlist? I can share it with you. There you go. That's the playlist right there. Kind of sad that we did not get into the action here. Did not see an entry. Let's hope they want to give it still. But yeah, we never know. You never know. Can we enter? You can do whatever you desire, Sanda. But yeah, I'm not in personally. I wish. I'm not gonna enter now. Alright, we entered. We opened the new 20-minute candle here. Let's see what happens here. Flipping the daily as well. I'm looking for some lower price before it goes higher. We could respect 6 o'clock here. to go higher from. That's your current 12-hour open. Let's see what happens. I would like to see some lower prices. Using the daily open now. Trying to flip that daily open here, guys. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Alright, we tested 6 o'clock, like mentioned. So it's respecting 6. Is this going to be a valid long already for me, is the question. Nope. Alright, it seems that we're gonna go lower here. Let's see. Let's see how much lower. Got a new 15 coming in here as well in 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. We're tapping back, we're correcting the move to a degree. Back into the FEG. What's happening on the hour? We're definitely pushing through here on the hour as well. Back above 6. Looks like a good closure on the 1. Alright, I'm willing to give this a try here, guys. So I'm entering the long now. Putting my stop below the current 20-minute low. Looking for instant momentum higher, though. Let's see if this wants to give it to us. If it holds, I might need to close it instantly. We'll see. Still looking good in my eyes. Let's see. Do need to flip through though. Oh. See you tomorrow, my friend. See you tomorrow. Breaking out higher on the S. Let's see if the Nasdaq wants to follow through here as well. Let's see. Let's see if we can have a push through continuation move here, guys. Oh, what did I do? What happened? Alright. I need to see an instant flip continuation. Or might close it here. Let's see. It's not giving me the vibes. I'm gonna try and see what happens here. What are you guys looking for? Are you guys in any positions here? If so, what are you looking for and what are you in? It's holding itself down a little bit too much, but ES is breaking out. ES is breaking out here. Let's see if the Nasdaq wants to do it for us here. Doesn't seem like it. Oh. I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, you might be right here. Let's see. I'm personally looking for long still. It's a bit tougher though. ES is still pushing itself up. We need to see the breakthrough as well here for the Nasdaq. It's just not doing it, guys. Let's see. Let's see if they want to go now. No. Doesn't look like it. Alright, I'll be trailing my stop here. If they take this low again, then yeah, I'll take the stop earlier. Just it just don't want to do it here, guys. Let's hope it wants to flip though. It's just holding up like really aggressively here at the daily open. Yeah. Maybe it wants to go, but for some reason it doesn't feel like it. ES is still struggling as well, so it's not major yet, but yeah. I think I'm gonna get taken out here. Let's see. If that's the case, I'm gonna call it for what it is a little bit here for the NAS. I'm just gonna wait and see, because if they don't want to give it, they don't want to give it, guys. Can't do anything more than that. Otherwise, I'm gonna trade all my profits away from today for no reason. Maybe they do it now. Threaten her a little bit. You never know. Nope. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade it again here. I'm gonna wait a little bit, because I think that it's unreasonable for me to give all my profits back. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let's see though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Your first position would have could have done wonders here. Yeah, but my first position got it taken out anyways, so it doesn't really matter. I think I'm like trying to force it a little bit, to be honest, because I see the move, but they don't allow me to get involved, which is annoying. So yeah. We'll see though. We will see whether or not this wants to do it, because it could also still be the flip. He is also flipping down again. Man, New York session, baby. What are you doing? Yeah, we're also selling off again here on the S. Could be a healthy retracement. We'll see. Let's see though. We got 24 minutes left here on the giveaway. We got 185, 58 participants. It's a lot of people here. A lot of people are willing to join the giveaways for sure. A lot more people in the giveaway than we have in the chat right now. Interesting. Take a look at GC. Yeah, but it's in an untradeable position for me, bro. Maddie, it's an untradeable position. To be honest, the Nasdaq is the same thing. I should have never took it this trade. Now I look at it. Like, unless I was looking for shorts, I shouldn't have touched it here. And that's what I'm saying. It's like, you know, the New York session is giving me a little bit of an itch for some reason. I need to wait a little bit longer here for the right positions. This is as pure as it can be, guys, right? I'm going through the same struggles as you guys, just so you know that. I'm not special. We're trying our best here every single day, though. We're holding up at 6 LDO as well. This would have been a really nasty bottom tick if I held my stop loss there and they would have taken me out and would have flipped. That would be that would have been crazy here. We have a new hourly coming in 8 minutes. This could definitely do something for us here. 11 o'clock. Let's hope so. Maybe it wants to sell off from here. Let's see. What are you guys looking at, by the way, right now in the chat? We got 21 minutes left here for the giveaway. Let me know what you guys are looking for. Are you guys looking for longs? Are you guys looking for shorts? If so, why? All right, is this the final breakout? Am I willing to give it another crack here? Go through the same suffering. It looks like it wants to break out now. ES is also breaking out again. Am I willing to try it again? You know what? Why not, guys? Let's hope London, or let's hope the New York session finally is gonna treat us rightly here. Alright, now it's breaking out heavily. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be a wide stop. We would enter of the 67, 65 level. Looking at you. Yeah, looking at me suffer here. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, it's a harder market. It is what it is, though. FOMC minutes. Yeah, we also have the FOMC, of course, in 3 hours from now. I don't think it has a drastic impact at the moment, though. I'm just impatient. I'm getting impatient, getting the wrong entries here. So that's my own mistake. Because if you look back at it, if I look back at it now here, for example, here on the 1 minute, you can see that we went back into the fair value gap. We had the initial closure above, but yeah, you never closed back above 6, so there was a bit of a hard entry here. But yeah, it is what it is, though. Can't win them all. Let's see what happens. Got a new hour coming in here in 5 minutes. For the new hour, this could definitely be a good entry. We're breaking out heavily here on the S. Kind of upsetting that we could not get stayed in this trade for the breakout. But yeah, it has to happen sometimes. Would have been nice. It's coming for you. Crossing my fingers. Let's see in the new hour if they want to give us the bottom wick here. Or maybe not. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens, bro. We'll see what happens. The target overall for me is 770 still. I'm getting more convinced that the bias is gonna be bullish for the rest of the cash session. So I'm looking for 770. That's the overall bias, and maybe we can try to scalp some setups to the upside every pullback that we get, right? We can try our best here. Just waiting for the new hour to open up. What do you guys think about the elevator music? Do you guys enjoy it? Let me know. Let me know if you guys like it. The elevator music. Pretty chill. Good chill music again. Yes. Vanessa, good to see you back. Let's see what happens here. 2 minutes until the new hourly open here. Yes, is just booming. Would have been nice if we were in this in the initial buys here. Dang, Nasdaq, you gotta do me dirty sometimes. All right, we got the new hour in 30 seconds. It's a far pullback for this hour, if they want to come down here. But you never know. Could always happen. It could always happen, guys. Crystal, good morning. Hope you're doing all right. Welcome back to the live stream. Yeah, we have FOMC meeting in 3 hours from now. You all right? I'm good. Any day above ground is a good day. I had 2 losses now, trailed losses. Or one full stop and 2 trailed losses here. Nothing major. We're talking about $350. So The initial risk was like 600 combined, so we're not down a lot. But I got top ticked first, and then I got bottom ticked, and then I trilled it after, and then after it went. So it's a bit of a rougher New York session for me for sure. But I'm still overall looking for the buys. Just waiting to see if I get the opportunity to participate here. Hey, Ricardo, it's amazing, bro. Enjoy your day, my friend. I don't know if that's the case. Snowfall, sorry, I have no idea, my friend. Let's see though. Let's see what happens here, guys. Is 11 going to trade it lower, or do we want to go from here? What's your favorite food? That's a good question, bro. That's a really good question. What's your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Yeah, what is your guys' favorite food? Let me know in the chat. I'm wondering. What is your guys' favorite food? Alright, let's see if they want to give us the entry. It looks like it's coming here. Fries, vegetables, lasagna. Oh, let me know in the chat, guys. What is your favorite food? We have tacos. Oh, nice. Horny garlic chicken wings. Yeah, that sounds amazing. Let me know, guys. What is your favorite food? Let me know in the chat. I'm wondering, what is your guys' favorite food? I like sushi a lot. I do like sushi a lot. But I also like steak. So I'm a bit of a, you know... It depends on the occasion, guys. It depends on the occasion. You see what I mean? Because I like myself a nice piece of steak. I was gonna say something else, but that would sound a bit. So I would say a nice piece of steak with some red wine, for sure. I wouldn't mind that. That wouldn't be bad at all. It would be a nice dinner. So if you ever feel like taking me out for dinner, you know where to take me. You can call me anytime. How do you have your steak? Medium rare. If anyone does it well done, we have a problem here, guys. We have a problem. We have a problem. Thinking about it, was it the Dutch or the Belgians who invented French fries? I think it was the Belgians. Medium well. Okay. That's okay. Medium rare is the best. Smoked Icelandic lamb. Wow. That sounds like something crazy. It sounds good though. Rice and curry, nice. Fish, black coat, blacked in banana leaves, bro. That's some major. What's that for type of dish, bro? That's like a 5-star dish you're talking about right now. What do you mean, bro? Bro is showcasing us like some crazy tropical major dish. Guys, getting hungry here. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. It's getting later as well. It's already 5 o'clock. Could I be the one you love? The one you love. Oh, baby. I hope this is not gonna be the sweep, return, all the way down again, because that would like for real, guys, then I would definitely like be like a little bit emotionally upset here if that happens. What is your best pickup line? I just say hello, bro. I don't have a pickup line. I'm not 12 years old, bro. I just say hello. I start a conversation. I look her straight in the eyes. That works the best here, guys. Just look her straight in the eyes and start an actual conversation. No. When was your first payout and how did it feel? It didn't feel that good because I had it in the first year, but I fucked it up afterwards. So I had a payout of $12,000 in the first year that I started trading, and I put it on a live account, felt like a legend, and blew $12,000 the next week after. So my actual payout that actually came with good trading, that felt amazing. My first payout didn't feel that good. It felt, like, of course you feel amazing, but it's not as in, feeling amazing, as in the sense that you actually traded it there. Yeah, that was later on, bro. But yeah, my first ever payout, I lost it a week later. 12K for the first payout, yeah. On CFD. That was on my Forex funds back in the day. They're no longer alive. They had a whole lawsuit against them. I was lucky, bro. I was lucky. I risked a lot, and I managed to make it work here. No skill involved, guys. Big sell-off here on the S. I might just consider waiting for a reaction, to be honest. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna wait for a reaction from this level that we were interested in. If they give me a reaction on the lower time frame, then I will look for an entry here. Because I'm terrified of the Nasdaq today. I don't want to give back all my profits here, guys. Like, I really don't feel like doing that. So, but just taking trades, trying to make it work, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to wait for a reaction. If they give me a reaction, then I'm willing to take the position here. Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. So yeah, my first ever payout was $12,000, and then I blew it a week later. Or like 2 weeks later, something like that, in a live account. And then I couldn't sleep for a fucking week, bro. Well, I slept, but I didn't sleep good. I can assure you of that. Cried every fucking night, bro. I cried every fucking night. I was like, what was it? I just turned 18 years old. I just turned 18 years old. Horrific, bro. Horrific. Snowfall, what is your best pickup line when it comes to asking women out, bro? Let me know. Nice pickup line. How many years have you been trading? I think if you ask that to a chick, she's gonna run away, bro. Have you seen my IQ balance account? Have you seen my payouts yet? That's a good question. That's funny. You guys are hilarious. I already gave mine. What is it? What's your pickup line? Let me know, guys. Give me your best pickup line in the chat. You guys are all about pickup lines? Give it to me. Jay, how you doing, bro? You doing good, bro? I'll trade you for my charts. Funny. Yeah. Good on you? Yeah, I'm doing fine, bro. Any day above ground is a good day. I'm down like 350 on what I made on the day, though. So I'm a bit upset about that, but it is what it is. Can't make money without losing money, right? It's just a little bit tougher today, I've noticed. I got right on the bias overall. I just couldn't get the entry without getting stopped out beforehand. So that's a bit of a tough one here. Still waiting for another entry though. Managed to make 450 on 4 accounts today. Happy about that. Yeah, you're doing amazing, bro. Congrats. Keep it up. One step at a time, bro. One step at a time. Do it every day. And sooner than later, your life will change, my friend. Sooner than later, your life will change here. Looks like some good volume kicked in here. Yeah, I just don't have a bottom wick on this candle. Fuck you. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry for my language, but then it gives so much volume and you don't have a bottom wick on the S. Look at this. I'm trying to stick to 2 MNQs and no expectation. Yeah, that's good, bro. Yeah, I had a nice trade this morning, like a really nice one this morning. Of course, everything is nice if it plays out, but I mean the movement was really nice here. Currently, I'm just struggling trying to find one that works. We got a new 15 in 2 minutes though. This could be it. If they want to go back into this into this gap after the new 15 open, the flip of the candle could be the entry, and then we already have a valid bottom wick on the hourly. We'll see though. I might consider taking this on a fresh account instead of this one though. We'll see. Oh well, fresh account that I did not trade today yet, instead of this one. To keep it rising instead of falling, in case it doesn't want to listen to me again. We'll see. It's not looking ready yet. As I said, the 10-year yield is falling down. Future long, easy day. Yeah, nice. Well played, bro. I might consider taking this on 6-7. 6-7. 86. Alright, let's see. We're testing Asia highs again here. Alright, here we go. New 15-minute open. Second 15-minute of the hour. Oh, the winners are drawn here. Alexander, congratulations on winning. I just saw it happening here. Alexander, congratulations on winning. Sorry, guys. It just did it itself. Congratulations on winning. Congrats. That was so random. This shit just randomly happened. Congrats, Alexander. Congratulations on winning the instant funding account here, bro. Congrats. Well played, Alexander. I'm happy for you, bro. I'm just trying to see if Alexander is entering twice, but I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. Well played, Alexander. Well played, my friend. Congratulations for you. Alright, let's see what happens here, guys. Alright, we're buying ourselves back up again. This could be the long play. Let's see how they close this, guys. I mean, looks like a good closure here. Am I willing to give this another try here? I might if they break through here. Let's see. Yeah. All right, I'm entering one more trade here, guys. On a fresher account, so if I lose here, that doesn't really matter. Let's see if they want to go. Expecting this to break out for sure now. Stop is below the almost below the current 15-minute low. Hoping for this to break out. We need to break above 11 here and not respect it. Nasdaq, you're doing me dirty today. If it now comes all the way down again, that would be crazy. Any expectation on the FOMC minutes? No, not necessarily, bro. Alright. Okay. I give up, Nasdaq. I give up. Hands up. I have my hands up, my friend. Yeah, for me, it's going well still. Like, I'm up overall, but it's definitely way tougher for the New York session. Like, I make most of my money now in the London session. Whenever I get in, it's like in the New York session, it's like it doesn't want to go anywhere, it feels like. Yeah. It's definitely interesting. I mean, also look at the 3-minute, right? The fact there's so many 3-minute closures, open and closes in the same level, it's just consolidating, guys. Right? It's not really, even though we're moving higher, it's not really going there. Unless you caught it at the bottom, it's really tough to get involved here because you have so many wicks. It could wick me out now, close back within the range. Then go for a little bit, do the same stuff over again. Moves in like a little flag. Yeah, exactly. That's compressing. How do you have the same chart in one screen without a border? This is deep charts, bro. So it's a different platform. Or you mean this? Is that what you're talking about? It's an indicator, my friend. It's an indicator. It's called ICT Higher Time Frame Candles by Fadi. If you wanna use it, you can select multiple candles here, whichever you like. No problem, my friend. Hopefully it helps you. Let's see. It's yeah, it's still not doing it here, guys. Yeah, let's see. It breaks down again. And we're coming back up again. Let's see what we're doing here on the ES. ES is falling down at the moment, so it's not ideal for us here. Asia is gonna be so fun. Yeah, Asia is gonna be better for sure. Oh, are we finally breaking out now? Do it. You got this. Do it. Don't send it down again, please. Like, genuinely. Just go already. Just go already. What do you mean? You would say it looks amazing now for the breakout. You would say so. Oh? Oh? Yeah, you gotta be kidding me, right? Breathe in and breathe out, guys. Breathe in and breathe out. It's natural habitat. Yeah. I might just close this, to be honest. Or let me take it out, you know, like, what do you even mean, bro? I need to give the Nasdaq some motivational lines. Bro, my motivation is through the ground right now, like, genuinely. Look at the chart, bro. That's crazy. No, you need the magnet. Yeah. Alright, they took me out. In the most kind way, the Nasdaq may suck my balls today, like, genuinely. It can actually do it. What is this, man? From the ashes a phoenix will rise. Yeah. Yeah. Something like that. Let's put some magnets on the chart. No, I'm joking. Let's wait and see what happens, though. Yeah. Yeah. That is precisely how my head feels right now, Louise. That is how my head feels right now for sure. If you look here on the 1 minute, we've been looking at this range now for over half an hour. This is trading as well, guys. You know, it's sometimes it's just like it doesn't want to do anything. And then you're I'm over analyzing the chart, trying to make something work here, which is unreasonable, right? So I might just have to wait and tape read and see what the market does. But I don't think this is a favorable price action to trade, personally, guys. It's not going anywhere. Are you guys still trading? For the guys that are still here? Are you guys still trading if you're still here? One position open. About to be stopped out. Yeah, that's tough. We're in the same boat, bro. I've been stopped out 3 times today. Even though I'm correct on the buys overall, I think, from down here. I just couldn't get the entry. It just didn't give it to me. Not in the way I liked it. Let me say it that way. I was in 1,000 drawn and up to 60 on my trading day. Ooh, nice. Nice recovery. Yeah, that's tough if you go through something like that. It's a lot of mental suffering here. Been giving too much because yeah, I have the same here on this account. I was up 1250 and now I'm up 900. So I'm probably gonna quit trading this one for today because yeah, there's just no point in there's no point in trying to make it happen if it doesn't want to do it. How big is your biggest account, or is it confidential? No, it's not. It's 500k. It's a 500k. And I'm about to be paid out on a 100k account. I got another payout coming as well soon for another account. So yeah, I'm requesting one payout in 4 days from now, 4 trading days. So that's gonna be next week. I'm down 2,000 for the week. Oh, that's tough, Maddie. Are you guys going to watch the FOMC? Are you guys going to watch the FOMC tonight? Who knows? Maybe I can jump on and we watch it together. If you guys are willing to do something like that. I have to think about it though. Do you go for the max payout or any payout? Not max payout. No. Take money if it mathematically makes sense. I might consider going live during the FOMC minutes, but all right, Jay, see you tomorrow, my friend. Yeah, that could also be something, Frank. Yeah, let's see, my friend. Let's see what we do. I'll let you guys know. Who's still actively watching, by the way? Press 1 in the chat if you guys are still here. I know the market is not doing anything. It's a really slow day. Probably a lot of people left because it's not going anywhere. But for the guys that are still here, I truly appreciate you guys. If you're still here. It's highly appreciated. Hey, you guys are still here. That's awesome. Just open a new 30-minute candle here. I'm gonna stay around for a little bit longer, guys, but I'm definitely not gonna stay here and watch this for another 2 hours because I'll lose my mind. Yeah, the trades made sense for sure. It just is what it is, you know. Not all days your edge can play out here. It is what it is. Everyone step back because of this meeting. Yeah, it looks like it, bro. It looks like nothing is gonna happen. Like, genuinely. The market is just dead. It's like legit dead right now. Look at this. She's not going anywhere. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna cook dinner. See you later. Yeah, I understand, bro. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, my friend. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your dinner, my friend. See you tomorrow, Maddie. See you tomorrow, my friend. I understand that you guys are leaving. Makes a lot of sense. First entry from the daily still valid. Yeah, it could be, bro, but the market's is just whack, bro. It's just whack. It's just whack, my friend. Yeah, I seen it. I seen it. Frank, I seen it, my friend. I scalp all my way back to 55 instead of minus 100, 800 pieces. That's amazing, man. Congratulations. I would say call it a day. Don't risk it for the biscuit, man. You could go the other way again and in just an instance here. That's the beauty of trading. Tommy looks done with the market already for today. Yeah, I'm laying back, bro. Like, this is not tradable, of course, right? This is untradeable. What you guys want to do? You guys want to talk about something? Is there like a website where we can play like a game or something like that together? Like a simple game? Like we have to guess or something like that? Maybe we can do something like that while we're waiting here. See what happens. Make it a little bit of an interactive stream. Have a little bit of fun together. Because this is definitely not it, guys. Market wise, it's not doing anything. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm getting tired from this. Yeah, that's a good idea, Wilan. We need to make one of those quizzes that you could do in school, and then we make a quiz about trading. All right? A trading quiz. And then maybe whoever wins the quiz can win a free account. That might be a good idea here. Who knows? I'll ask the team and see what they think about it here. We're selling off pretty drastically here now, guys. I wasn't expecting this at all. Okay, I wasn't expecting to sell off at all. Is this the bottom wick for the half an hour for the flip reversal back higher? We're testing 12 o'clock now. This could be the level of interest for the entry here. For another try on the long here. Am I mentally stable enough to take this entry? Am I mentally stable enough to take this entry? Let's see what happens. Are you guys still looking to trade anything here? Let me know in the chat. I'm wondering if any of you guys are still looking to trade this, or you guys already said, I'm no longer trading this for the rest of the day here. I'm long right now. Nice. Let's see if it wants to go for you. Let's see if they invert this, then I might consider the long, but yeah, we have to first see if this wants to happen. Let's see if they want to do it for us, guys. Would be interesting if this happens, the yes or the no here. We'll see what happens. Is this going to be the setup that does it for us? We're inverting it. Let's see if they close it. Then I might give this another try here, guys. I might do it. If they don't instantly go, that would be upsetting. Alright. I'm willing to give this another try here. I'm willing to give this another try if they give us the entry. Don't do it, and don't risk any money that you don't afford to lose. I've been wrong today often. More often than not today. So don't risk any money that you can't afford to lose. All right, Vanessa, have a good one. Speak to you tomorrow, hopefully. And now it instantly goes. Wheelang, congratulations. Nice trade here. Let's see if they want to pull back and give the entry or not. Learn from the best. I appreciate that. You did it yourself though, bro. Good job. Yeah, so you're flipping this on the 5. Doesn't want to give us the bottom wick is the main question here. Looks like there's some more volume coming in, so that's nice. I hope it's going to give us the entry lower though. Got the new 15 that just opened up here. Let's see what happens here, guys. To be honest, I don't think they're gonna come back here, but we'll see. I think they're gonna pull through here. That would be the most ideal, yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens here. We also have yes pulling through now. This might actually turn the things around here, the table around, if this actually wants to go. Question is, do they give you the entry now? That is the main question. Let's see how they close this 5. Just open a new 3-minute. Got a new hour coming in here as well in 10 minutes. Pulling up here. So the original idea we had at 65 actually played out here. Just didn't have the balls to hold on to the bias here. Wrong a lot today. Might have a big influence. Not necessarily wrong though. It is what it is. New 5 could pull back into 91. Stop could then be placed at 74. I might consider putting it like this. Stop below 74 for the new 5 here. There's a massive pull down though. Alright, I got tagged into this position. It's not necessarily a good pull down just before the for the trade here, but we'll see what happens here. I don't think this is gonna work out. Doesn't look like it. I broke already the gap that I wanted to take it off, actually. Look at the S, by the way. Look at the S. Selling it off all the way instantly. For no reason. Yeah. If I get the option to get out here on break even, I will take it. Let's see, though. Alright, take it out on break even here. What a market today, guys. What a market today. I think I'm gonna consider calling it a day, guys. The market's not really going anywhere. Also, for my own mental clarity, it might be better to just call it for what it is. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do here, guys. Make sure you manage your risk. This type of market is really dangerous, okay? It's not really going anywhere. We have FOMC later tonight in 2 hours from now. I think personally, if you're truly trying to trade it, you really want to make something out of the market, I wouldn't do this personally, okay? So I'm gonna also call it because it's not good. It's bad habit creation here, trading wise. So I wish you guys a wonderful rest of your night, day, on wherever you're staying, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow in my London session. It's better than my New York session at the moment. And then I hope to see you guys as well later on in the day as well tomorrow for IQ. All right. I'm gonna wish you guys a wonderful rest of your day. And yeah, that would be it for me, guys. That would be it for me. You guys still here? Awesome. Thank you, guys, okay? See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Don't do anything that's unnecessary here. Don't risk money that you can't afford to lose. And I speak to you guys tomorrow. I appreciate all of you. Okay? Stay safe. Stay safe, guys. All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate all of you. Thank you. All right. See you guys later. Ciao.